What's up everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're taking a look at Openclaw Review. Openclaw is an AI automation tool that lets you connect powerful AI models like Anthropic's Claude to chat platforms such as Telegram, Discord, or other chat apps. Unlike just using ChatGPT in a browser, Openclaw lets you automate conversations, build AI-based bots, and run workflows where AI can respond in real time to users. You can choose Anthropic as a model provider and pass your API key for access. It supports Claude models like Claude Opus 4.5, which are known for low hallucinations, strong reasoning ability, and good safety filters. Openclaw connects AI to platforms such as Telegram, potentially other like Discord or WhatsApp via bots. This makes it great for building chatbots that interact with real users. It has a simple onboarding UI and a straightforward setup. You can switch between different Anthropic AI models, and the integration with apps like Telegram makes it practical for personal AI assistants, group bots, and automated message responders. But, on the other hand, it requires an API credit. You need an Anthropic API key with credits, meaning you must pay for API usage, and costs vary depending on usage and model type. Also, Openclaw doesn't come with a built-in AI unless you connect one via API. You manage API limits and you choose what AI does. And for large, advanced automation tasks, you may need custom bot tokens, server hosting, and integration scripts. Openclaw simplifies this, but it still requires configuration. Finally, Openclaw is a powerful bridge between AI models and real-world chat platforms. Its onboarding and integration options makes it one of the easier tools to get started with custom AI bots, especially if you want to run them on Telegram. And that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this review. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.